Denton Embassy Suites in Denton, Texas. Going to give you a quick rundown of the room. This is a king bed suite. We'll start off here. As soon as you come in the room, you go to the left, go to the restroom. You have your walk-in tub. You have all of your conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, body wash rather. There, very nice tub. You'll see over on the sink, you also have body lotion and more body wash as well. Love these mirrors. You turn them on. Bluetooth. Love those mirrors. You have a wet bar. As soon as you come in the door on the right hand side, got your coffee maker. You can make two at a time. You got your microwave, your refrigerator, the desk area for work. If you need to sit down and do some work, you've got plenty of room to do that. Plus, while you're sitting there, you can look out the window. You can open that window up and check it out. You've got plugs in the lamp, USB. You also have USB in the plug outlets as well. To the left, right there, is your closet area with your safe, ironing board, which always comes in handy when you're on travel business. When you're traveling for business, man, wish I could talk today. Been a long day, big travel day. Anyway, they have a sofa, corner there with the lamp, and in this room here, you have two windows here at the corner. Take a peek outside. Like I said, this is the king bedroom, king bed, television. One of the things I do like about Embassy Suites is you've got on both sides of the bed, you have USB and regular plugs. I wish more cruise ships had that, but they don't. But you do have it on, like I said, both sides of the bed. There. So yeah, that is king bedroom at Embassy Suites.